In this very short video we create the class for the wire. The method for creating the mesh is very simple. Only 2 points and 1 edge are created. For a better look, we add a skin modifier. The wires are actually here to transfer status information from one component to the next. This will be done via the vertices. Therefore, additional vertices are counterproductive. However, the vertices created by the skin modifier, and others, are not considered vertices. So everything is okay. Here we copy the material again and adjust it briefly. Again here we copy the method and change the name from lamp to wire. And for the last time we copy a method and adapt it. We are now testing the wire. If we need additional branches on the wire later, simply extrude the points.